There are many products available to choose tackle boxes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tackle boxes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Plano Angled Tackle System. Plano is the industry leader in tackle boxes, and this medium-sized box is closer to a tackle fortress, with separate compartments for each common type of tackle, and accommodating 3 of the common Plano, 3,650 plastic cases, which are included. There isn't much wasted space with this box, as every corner has a see-through compartment with secure latches that house frequently accessed items such as terminal tackle and favorite lures. Because of the weight and toolbox-style build, this tackle box is best on a boat or pier where you're not constantly on the move. Number 2. Flambeau Outdoors Waterproof Tackle Satchel. When fishing from a kayak, paddleboard, or even a boat, having a waterproof tackle box is essential. Many anglers use the ubiquitous Plano clear plastic boxes combined with a bag or pack, but this large, sealed case works as a single space for all your lures and small tackle. The rubber gaskets not only make the case waterproof, they also trap air inside so the case floats if dropped, which is an important feature for kayak fishing. There are smaller compartments visible through the clear lid, which swing out to the sides to reveal a larger base storage area adequate for tools, line, and other bulky items. The compartment dividers feature a unique innovation borrowed from the electronics world: Zerust vapor emitters that help coat metal items and prevent corrosion. Number 3. Calissa Offshore Tackle Recon Rolling Fishing Backpack. When your tackle collection gets so large that you dread carrying it, it might be time to turn to an airport-style rolling luggage solution. This fishing-specific medium-size pack from Calissa Offshore Tackle makes carting everything easy for those days when you don't want to have to decide which lures to leave at home. It's particularly a good choice for offshore fishing trips where you have tons of gear, multiple rods, and mostly need to get from vehicle to boat across the marina. It holds 5 3600 series containers and has 4 rod holders. The ripstop polyester is water-resistant and comes with a built-in rain cover. It also has a backpack option for when rolling isn't realistic. Number 4. Wild River Nomad Lighted Tackle Backpack. If you're on foot, or even on a boat, a backpack tackle solution is easier than carrying a traditional toolbox-style tackle box when navigating the perimeter of a lake or river. A backpack keeps your hands free and helps organize everything you're bringing fishing, not just your tackle. Think extra layers, drinks, snacks, etc. The Wild River Nomad XP may feel pricey for a backpack, but unlike some fishing packs that are just rebranded cheap school bags, this backpack has lots of fishing-specific features, including exterior holsters for common tools such as pliers, an integrated USB battery charging station, an LED light for early mornings and late evenings, and a compartment designed for 4 of the common plastic tackle trays. Number 5. Olakee Fishing Tackle Cart. If you use a fishing backpack, keeping everything there can be a workable at-home solution, but often your tackle collection expands beyond a single bag or box. This rolling cart stand keeps rods upright and safe, and also gives you a place to store all of your different tackle cases and tackle boxes. There are slots for 12 rods, which should be enough for all but the most hardcore anglers, and the 2 storage shelves are spacious enough to hold your plastic cases of tackle, tackle bags, and other gear. So it's easy to load up and grab just the tackle you need for the day. Yes, this means unracking and packing when you head out, and then re-racking when you come home. But it's a price worth paying to keep your gear safe and organized instead of tossed in the closet or garage. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.